we go. Look at that. What is the beautiful place under this tree? And what's up? See the honeybees. They find a hideout here, and they did a marvelous place. Now they have nest inside. It's the honeybee nest, and hopefully they are going to start their honey production inside here. It looks like deep. They are coming, they are going, and they are enjoying a lot. Beautiful nature, a beautiful tree, and here see a life under life. It's amazing. Here we go, another one. We try to molding it. See, wow, that's amazing. That's super beautiful, amazing place. A hideout, secure, and they have nest inside, and they are nesting. Hopefully in the coming December or January they will start honey production. That's amazing. Zoom out. Wow, nice place.